Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to public your Roblox game. First, ensure your game is complete and ready for players. You will need to navigate to the game settings in Roblox Studio. This is where you control who can see and play your creation. Making your game public is a straightforward process, but it requires a few key steps to ensure a smooth launch for everyone. Once in Game Settings, locate the Permissions tab. Here, you will find the option to change your game's access from private to public. This crucial step makes your game discoverable by the entire Roblox community. Also, consider adjusting the maximum player count and ensuring compatibility across various devices like phones, tablets, and computers for broader appeal. To attract players, your game needs to stand out. Craft a captivating title and design an eye-catching game icon that represents your game's essence. Write a detailed and exciting description, highlighting what makes your game unique and fun. Don't forget to add relevant tags. These help players find your game through searches, significantly boosting its visibility on the platform. Before officially launching, conduct thorough testing. Invite a few friends or a small group to play and provide feedback. This helps identify and resolve any bugs or performance issues, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone. Once you are confident in your game's quality, simply click the Publish to Roblox button. Congratulations, your game is now live for millions to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.